Months and months and months ago, I did a video about replacing the wheel cylinders in the 715 and another video about using the pressure bleeder, power bleeder, to bleed it, and how I had to, the plate I had that went over the master cylinder, this is not the military master cylinder, uh, wouldn't hold air. I had the chains, the the hooks with the wing nuts and C clamps and all kinds of stuff. I still barely held air. Then the evil people, let me show you what I got here. Then the evil people at Motive, let's see what they're, yeah, Motive Products. I'm gonna put a link to this and to that in the description from Amazon. I'm a member of the Amazon affiliate program, which means if you look at it, buy it, I get a small percentage, and you pay the same price. I gotta say that. All right, Motor Products. Started using these things on the BMW. They work great on the BMW. They work great on Miata, the Mini, Volkswagens. You just got to buy the right adapter. Well, evil people at Motor Products, they get the thing over here. Got an email not too long ago saying 25% off. Because the plate I had on here was, I'm not sure who made that one. And, oh yeah, the master cylinder. I have a Hydro Boost out of 85 M1008 CUCV, basically a 1-ton Chevrolet truck. And I had made this truck work without power assist before I swapped engines with a 1976 Corvette non-power brake, manual brake master cylinder. The 1976 Corvette was the last year of disc, front and rear, non-power, equal size calipers, equal size master cylinder pistons, as in 1-inch master cylinder bore. A guy on the 715 zone named Tom, or Spicer Gear on the zone, he figured that out and put one on his truck, Velvet. So I put one on here, it's on the master cylinder. I made the dual line, went from a single line to a 2-line brake system. And that was, I don't know, 02, 03, somewhere in there. Maybe even 04. Somewhere around 10 or so, 9 or 10, the original master cylinder I put on here went bad. So I put another Corvette master cylinder on. And the last receipt I could find was for 2012. So this is 2025, 13 years on a 76 Corvette master cylinder. And I don't want to redo the lines or anything else, so I just put the same thing back in. And because it's the open top master cylinder, you need one of these plates to bleed them. It's like all the other GM big master cylinders. Point is, I got an email one morning from Motor Products. I was just sitting there nice and innocent and checking emails, and 25% off everything. Oh, looked it up, and sure enough, this plate was now at a much more reasonable price. And I looked on Amazon, it was on sale there too. Amazon Prime, free shipping. All right. So I did that. And my first chance to use it, this master cylinder, I did the wheel cylinders. It didn't feel quite right, but it was stopping. But here we are months and months later, and it won't stop. So I swapped it out. And I've been talking for, what, 4 minutes? This thing was, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes ago, last time I pumped it. I only took it to 5 psi, and we're down to 2.5 psi. It's holding. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. It's holding pressure so I can bleed the brakes. And I bled the master, and the pedal's firm. I'm going to take it for a drive, see if I got to bleed the wheel cylinders. I don't think I got any air past the fittings on the master cylinder, but you never know. Anyway, I just wanted to mention the right tool really does help with a good quality tool. This is in between the toy store whistler, which is a lot of videos about that. I moved up next to the house because I was tired of working out in the middle of the field. And now I'm kind of, I'll work on it tomorrow. We'll see. There'll be more videos about that. It is still not started up and run, but it does roll better. Anyway, thanks for watching.